Tourism is a travel for pleasure or business. Also, the theory and practices of touring, the business of attracting, accommodating, and entertaining tourists, and the business of operating tour. Tourist, simple word. Tourism means people traveling for fun. It includes activities such sightseeing, camping. People who travel for fun are called tourists. Places where many tourists stay are called resorts. Some people travel to do activities which they cannot done at home.
Hospitality is about people welcoming other people into their homes or other places where they work or spend their time. People who welcome visitors are called hosts. The people they welcome are called guests. The word hospitality comes from the Latin hospes, which came from the word hostess, which originally meant to have power. Hospitality is all about the art of entertaining or receiving guests. We talk about offering hospitality. There are many different ideas about how to offer hospitality according to the various cultures in the world. In the past, many societies thought that it was always right to offer hospitality to strangers who came to their door in need of food or shelter. This may seem a strange idea to many of us today, but it was an important way to survive in many societies, especially in lands where people travel a long distance, often far away from large towns.
Law. Law is a system of rules created and enforced through social and governmental institutions to regulate behavior, which is precise definition a matter of long-standing debate. It has been variously described as a science and an art of justice. State-enforced laws can be made by a group legislature or by a single of legislator resulting in statutes, by executive through decrees and regulations, or established by judges through precedent, usually in common law jurisdictions. Private individuals may create legally binding contracts, including arbitration agreements that adopt alternative ways of resolving disputes to standard court litigation. The creation of laws themselves may be influenced by construction written and tacit and the rights of encoded therein.
General laws are a season laws of a section of a seasonal laws that are a permanent in nature of a general application. General laws are confident according to subject matters and multiple volume publication entitled by General Laws of Massachusetts. Legal definition of general law: a law that at an integrated as a time is applicable throughout the entirety, subject to the power of the legislator that indicate it, and applies to the all person in the same class, called also General Laws Act. General statute. Learn more about general laws. Special law. Special law is applied to a particular place or especially to a particular member of a class of a person of things in the same situation, but not to the entire in the class of that is conditional if the classification made in the arbitrary if without a person reasonable or legitimate or justification or basis.